The universe is vast, full of mysteries. It stretches beyond our imagination, filled with wonders and enigmas that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Some mysteries are far beyond our reach, like distant galaxies light years away, holding secrets of the cosmos that we may never uncover. Others are closer to home, right here on Earth, intertwined with our daily lives and the technology we use. The world of artificial intelligence holds one such mystery. It's a realm where science fiction meets reality, and the boundaries of possibility are constantly being pushed. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, are silent. Their silence is deafening in a world that thrives on information and transparency. They are not talking about GPT-5. What are they hiding? This lack of communication has led to a whirlwind of questions and concerns. Is it fear? Is it caution? Or perhaps a strategic move to keep the world guessing? Or is it something more profound, a deeper, more complex reason that we have yet to understand? This silence has fueled a firestorm of speculation. Social media is abuzz with theories and forums are filled with debates. Tech enthusiasts and experts are buzzing with theories. Everyone wants to know what the next big leap in AI will be. What will GPT-5 be capable of? Will it surpass its predecessors in ways we can't even imagine? Will it redefine the boundaries of AI? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, the silence from OpenAI has captured the world's attention. Rumors swirl like cosmic dust spreading through the digital ether. Some say GPT-5 will be vastly more powerful than GPT-4, a leap forward in artificial intelligence. Imagine an AI that can write a symphony, each note perfectly placed, or paint a masterpiece, capturing emotions on a digital canvas, or even design a new spacecraft, pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Others whisper of AI that understands emotions, reading human feelings with uncanny accuracy. AI that can hold a conversation as complex and nuanced as a human, bridging the gap between man and machine. AI that blurs the line between machine and creator, transforming the very essence of creativity. These possibilities are both exhilarating and terrifying, offering a glimpse into a future where AI and humanity coexist in unprecedented ways. They challenge our understanding of intelligence itself, forcing us to rethink what it means to be truly intelligent. GPT-4, for all its brilliance, has limitations. It can make mistakes. It can be fooled. Despite its advanced capabilities, it is not infallible. Errors in its responses can lead to misunderstandings and even serious consequences. It can even be used for harmful purposes. In the wrong hands, GPT-4 can become a tool for cyber attacks, spreading misinformation, or creating malicious content. These limitations cast a long shadow. The potential for misuse and the inherent flaws in the system create a sense of unease. They remind us that AI is a tool, a powerful tool that, like any other, depends on the intentions of its user, a tool that can be used for good or for evil. In healthcare, it can assist in diagnosing diseases, but in the wrong context, it can facilitate criminal activities. OpenAI's silence may stem from these concerns. The developers are likely aware of the dual-edged nature of their creation. Perhaps they are grappling with the ethical implications of their creation. The responsibility of ensuring that such a powerful tool is used ethically and safely is immense. Perhaps they are working to ensure GPT-5 is used responsibly. Implementing safety protocols and ethical guidelines to prevent misuse and protect users is crucial for the future of AI technology. The future of AI is a vast, unexplored universe. It holds infinite possibilities, both wondrous and unsettling. OpenAI's silence only amplifies the mystery. It compels us to ask profound questions. What does it mean to be intelligent? What is the role of AI in our future? These are questions that will define our relationship with technology for generations to come. The universe awaits our answers.